Here we have Polkadot, symbol DOT versus the dollar, and we have someone who needs to pay rent today. So this thing needs to move now. And we actually do have some good indications here that it's getting ready to move. Probably this week. Maybe not necessarily today, but probably later this week. Daily BBWP is on a 0 percentile read, similar to what we saw back on in July of 2021. And other than that, we actually don't have too many iterations. Maybe we got to go to a 12-hour right here. Oh, we got plenty on a 12-hour actually. Last time that we were this low did produce about a 40% move within the next 5 days. Time before that led up to about a 40% move in about 11 days. Not bad. Time before that was to the downside, so we'll just ignore. We only talked about bullish things here. No, just kidding. Time before that was 47.5% over the next 8 to 9 days or so. We can do a few more iterations, but you get the point. Would I be biased towards the upside or the downside resolution of this one? I'm biased towards an upside resolution based off of momentum oscillators right here. 12-hour hidden bullish evidence looking not super strong to be fair, but daily okay. 2-day. These are... This one's long-term good. The question is it ready to go like now or not? The question is fuck or not, as always. And what can we see over here? I'm trying to see whether this one's most likely to do this like sooner rather than later. Yeah, daily stocks will be to the downside if we do close today below $45. I do suspect that this one is implying that it needs to either continue, basically, I'd say at latest 48 hours, so before Thursday close. Otherwise, I would be looking for a pullback first, probably to $37, 37 and a quarter. And I would be looking for that pullback on any sort of a, let's go to a 4-hour here. Any sort of a 4-hour closure below about 41.80 or so would do it for me. And yeah, I'd be looking for that move down to about 37.5 to $38. Until then, I remain cautiously optimistic. I mean, this is an uptrend, obviously. Momentum oscillators are somewhat more bullish, and you are around pretty much your per all-time highs. So what would constitute a breakout to the upside in this case? Daily closure above about $45 would do it for me. Then we could talk about, next short-term targets would obviously be your $48 prior all-time high. We come up with some more interesting things than that, though. Let's see, because we would be in a price discovery situation. So let's actually get this properly right there. And yeah, there's your $48 to $49 target. I'd generally be looking for a continuation phase over the next couple of weeks if that condition were to be met, somewhere around 60 to $70 or so, and then a big consolidation there before potential long-term continuation. But volatility does say that we're looking at a move very likely this week. Volatility is direction neutral though, so if that move does come to the downside, it'll be pretty fucking nasty, I suspect. Comes the upside, well, it'll be pretty fucking nasty in a good way. But hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for symbol DOT, sir.